Hi guys, I'm back on this video. I want to say thank you to all of you, the ones that are subscribing and watching my videos. I'm Jose from A&J. I want to show you in this video how to make a simple cuts on the shower pan on underliner. So that's pretty simple, and sometimes people has to play with the underliner, which is difficult when it comes in a roll. I want to apologize by not showing before to roll this underliner on the floor. Okay, but I'm gonna take advantage to show you real quick how to make a simple cut. Okay, as you see on this side here, you see I just make like a 45 cut. Okay, and you guys don't have to worry about the leftovers here because we're gonna have the sheetrock and we're gonna have the hot bucker going against it, so this is gonna be okay. We just gonna hold it like that. Okay, the one thing I did to keep it kind of straight and square, I use this all 2x4, okay, against it like that. Okay, and I put pressure on it, and then I put my glue and I put some nails. I don't know if you can be able to see my nails here, just to keep it on the air. Okay, tie. So and then I move over to the side, the same thing. So I was walking all the way around, okay? And that's the way he came like that. Now, I want to show you how to make this cut on this corner. If you want to come on a little bit on this side so you can see, okay? First of all, I want to hold this like that, okay? You're gonna have to fight a little bit until you get a kind of straight line. Okay, it's not easy, guys, to do this cut, but I'm gonna show you how to do it simple. Okay, so what I did, I came straight to the corner. Okay, I know it's what I need right here, that I want this to go. Actually, we're going to go this other way. Okay? Okay, we want it like that. We're going to keep it like that, okay? If you can, let me see the video camera on. I'm going to show you here in this corner, okay? Just make sure this corner is kind of tight, okay? Juan, if you can help me here on the side, Juan, just kind of hold it like that. Okay, and this is what I do. Okay, you just keep it tight best you can. Okay, and then you just cut them right here on angle. Okay, that's it. Okay, then I move my 2x4 and I fold this here to the side. Okay, now I have this other side, all this lid here, which I want to put a glue so it will stay in there. Okay, now always make sure you use face mask. So you guys don't. Always try to make sure you use a dust mask so you don't breathe the adhesive on to cause cancer or headaches. I'd rather you guys use a face mask if it's possible.
Okay.
That's something simple. It takes a little while. But now you just glue it. We use the nails. Okay, just to kind of keep it tight, so that it glues into it. Okay. Like I said, you don't have to worry so much about nice cut because you're gonna have the Hardenbacher, and then we still have the sheetrock, so you'll be okay like that. Okay. Now, sometimes they want to go over, which is fine, but you don't have to. Okay, the most moisture is going to be inside. So if you want to just go all the way down, that's fine. Or even you can make a nice cut on here on top. Okay, but on this case, on my case, okay, I like to go all the way to the front. So that way, if there's any moisture going into the tile, so it keeps away from the base. So I'll show you here in a little bit.
And this is super strong, guys.
this is the way it goes, you know. Like I say, you don't have to go perfect, nice, real sharp on that. Okay, the main thing is inside. Okay, and you can always cut here. Now the hardened barker is gonna get against it, so it'll be okay. Don't worry to be perfect on these cuts, okay? Sometimes if you look at imperfections, you're not gonna get it done. You have to make mistakes, but you know, try to do your best always. Now, I'm gonna show you here how to cut the drain valve here. Okay, we see this here, right here. Okay, now consider this is concrete base. Okay, so you just go like that. Okay. My knife is not sharp enough now. Just follow that. Okay. Okay. Just get them like that. Now, keep it in mind, all this is going to be filled with some concrete. So we want the concrete at least 1.5 inch to 2 inch. Okay, this cup will raise to the size you want. Okay, so right now we want at least 1 inch. So this is what we got here, 1 inch. Okay, it's where we want it. Okay, but you can make those adjustments real easy. And guys, if you guys got any questions, just please make a comment. Okay, I'm gonna give the camera to Juan. If you guys have any different ideas, please let me know. I don't mind if you guys make a comment. Just try to use the best words you can. Okay, I really appreciate a real positive comment. And all this is not done, I'm gonna post a second video when everything is done, so that way you guys enjoy this video here in the second part. So I want to say thank you to all of you, and I really appreciate again to subscribe and like my videos and view them all. So guys, I don't know what to say, but I really appreciate it, and keep it up.